when your boss tells you that you have to make a summary of some specific results, you can use XLOOKUP. So I'm gonna teach you how to use it and how to get name and price and the total income, and after that filter to see one specific result or outcome that you wanted to review. So the first step you need to follow X, for example, the product name, you use XLOOKUP function and uh, the value that you are looking for, and select your right where it's located the name and the outcome that you want. Here you go. Uh, After that, the price. XLOOKUP. You use XLOOKUP. You select the product name again. Once again, you can select the product, the full column, and the unit price column, and close parentheses, and voila, there you have it. For the total income, you just need to multiply the quantity that is located in the column D and the unit price that is located in the column H. So there you have it, but let's do it. Unit price multiplied by quantity. But for example, sometimes you just need a specific part of the information. So let's do it. So you just need to use filter and the full array. Okay, we can use this one, but in this case we are looking for the column F. It needs to be equal to Europe, and if there is empty, we can say no Europe orders, and close parentheses and press enter. There you have it. Now if we go to the order spreadsheet, we can find that there is one here, as you can tell, in bold. So the extraction of the information was right.